So I know you guys have been seeing these ponytails around the internet a lot lately, and I've never tried one. So I definitely had to try it today, put my little spin on it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy. All right, so today we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Nadula. They sent me this really long straight lace front wig. Modeling today, we have my girl Sideria back in the building. And listen, when we see a long straight wig, we're so tempted to do a middle part, a side part, half up, half down. But listen, today we're doing a ponytail, okay? So first and foremost, as you already know, we are using our 3-step system to prepare the application area. So first is our dry cleanser, and then we're gonna follow up with our skin protector. Also, if you guys did not know, Sideria runs an online boutique called 11 Trees Collectives. That's where I got these really cute jumpsuits. So if you guys want these, then I'm gonna put the website in the comments. All right, now it's time to apply this glue so we can attach our stocking cap. Now, y'all know I read all or most of my comments, and I see a few comments here and there that ask me, if the glue gets on your hair, will it rip your hair out? No, the glue is not gonna just automatically rip your hair out. If you rip your wig off, or if you get it ripped off, yes, the glue might rip your edges out. But the reason why I tell you guys not to let the glue touch the hair is because it's a lot easier to remove when the glue is just on your skin and not tangled up in your hair. But yes, you know, if you don't remove it right, or if you don't remove it with patience or with oil or with green alcohol, then it can cause some hair loss. So the stocking cap that I'm using right now is the beige from galaxygirlhair.com, but I think it's gonna be a little bit light on her skin, so I'm gonna put a little powder on it. I probably should have used a medium brown. I don't know. All right, we are back to the liquid lace glue. So now I'm going to put this glue like right in front of the stocking cap because I don't want to cover her entire forehead with the lace. So don't go too far down. So I applied 2 coats of the liquid lace glue. After the second one turned clear, now we can go ahead and put this wig on. Listen, when I tell you guys this wig is thick, I think it's like a 180 density because it's really full. You know, I love me a little thick wig, okay? All right, so now let's get to my favorite part. For some reason, I love molding, like the setting foam and just combing the setting foam through the hair. That is like so satisfying to me. I don't know why. So I'm doing a deep side part and we're just going to mold the wig so we can get to this ponytail. Now, when I do my ponytails, I mainly use tropical root setting foam all through the hair. Make sure it's in, out, on top, all through it so it can be nice and flat. But sometimes when I do the swoop, actually all the time, when I do the swoop, I use got to be gel. Got to be glue? Got to be gel. Got to be glue, gel. And of course, we want this to look as natural as possible, all right? So I gotta pluck the part. All right, so now I'm adding the got to be glue, all right? So I really want this ponytail to be really flat and sleek. So yeah, we're just gonna double up on products today, okay? And for some reason, like when I was doing this style, I was kind of sad because I was like, damn, this wig is so thick and long. Pause. And I was like, do I really just want to put all this beautiful hair into a ponytail? Yes, 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 I do. All right, all my stylists and all my girls that be doing their own hair at home. All right, it's swoop time. All right, so listen, take your comb, make sure the hair is nice and saturated with the setting foam and get that swoop nice and perfect and flat and sleek. Make sure all the hair is going in the same direction. And baby, if you ain't a perfectionist, that means you ain't no real stylist. Okay. All right, now, word of advice from one stylist to another, all right? When you're doing a frontal in general, all right? But today we're talking about ponytails. When you're doing a ponytail, make sure the side that has the baby hair, the lace is plucked, all right? That hairline gotta be plucked, all right? Because the wig can easily look thick and it won't be as fleeky and natural as you like. So make sure it's nice and plucked on the hairline. Sometimes you can either pluck more of the hairline just on the side that's showing. You know, the lace don't really have to be that plucked, you know what I'm saying? That's under the swoop. Even though, you know, you don't want to be a catfish. You want to do a good job from beginning to end. But yeah, the side that's showing with the baby hair, make sure it's nice and plucked and scalpy so your ponytails can stand out. All right, so now that the swoop is nice and laid how I like, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it with a black wrap. And we're gonna do this ponytail before I sit her under the dryer. So the color Kankalon hair that I got is a 2. I feel like I should have got a 1B, but it's all good. Okay, it's all good. So the ponytail method that I'm using today, I actually seen from a stylist on YouTube, and it's a method that requires no pins. So I actually attached the Kankalon hair with like a headband, rubber band, bobo, whatever you want to call it. And she takes a piece of hair and wraps it around the base, and she just braids the rest. So yeah, this technique really doesn't require pins at all. All right, so now that that base is nice and secured and nice and sleek, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. So of course I'm braiding the Kankalon hair with the wig hair, and halfway down, I'm gonna add some blondish gold hair at the end, just to add a little color and make it really cute. All right, so we want this ponytail to be nice and flexible and not stiff. All right, so I'm going to dip it in some hot water. And this actually reminds me of me trying to dip my head in that that pot of boiling water when I tried to do my own braids. If y'all remember that video, comment below, because I need to see who's a real fan of the channel. All right, baby, we ain't wasting no time. All right, let's go ahead and get to these accessories. So first I'm adding a gold string, and then I bought some like gold bamboo earrings. Ain't nobody did that. Ain't nobody did that. Then I bought some other gold accessories, and we're just gonna deck it out. No, period. So this hair came out so cute. Like, I'm in love. Once again, thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, you tripping, period. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, turn on your notifications, and I will see y'all later.